Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been searching for undetectable online, you might think we're talking about bypassing AI writing detectors. But today, we are looking at the actual tool over at undetectable.io, which is actually a powerful anti-detect browser built to help you run unlimited accounts without ever getting blocked. Whether you are managing multiple social media profiles, running e-commerce shops, or handling ad arbitrage, keeping your account safe from bans is a massive challenge. In this video, we're going to show you how Undetectable works, its best features, and how you can use it to protect your digital identity. So what exactly is Undetectable? Unlike a standard VPN or proxy that only changes your IP address, Undetectable is a specialized browser program for Mac and Windows. It actually alters your entire digital fingerprint. This means it changes details like your browser type, language, fonts, and system parameters. To platforms like Facebook, Google, TikTok, or Amazon, every single profile you create looks like a completely different real user on a completely different device. Setting it up is surprisingly simple. Once you download the program, you can use the mass creation tool to set up multiple profiles at once. With the built-in proxy manager, you can easily assign different proxies to different accounts. They also have some really cool automation tools, like a cookies robot to help warm up your profiles, and a synchronizer that lets you control multiple browser windows simultaneously. Whether you are into ticket reselling, dropshipping, or managing client social media pages, it keeps your workflows completely separated and secure. Now, let's talk about reviews. Currently, we don't have a large pool of verified user reviews to draw from, so we want to be completely transparent about that. However, looking at the feature set, the obvious pros are the sheer level of customization and the generous free tier to get you started. On the flip side, because it's a professional tool, there is a bit of a learning curve if you've never managed proxies or browser fingerprints before. If you want to stop worrying about account bans and scale your online business safely, head over to undetectable.io to download it and try it out for free. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you out, leave a comment if you've tried it, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.